Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine. In the last class, we had done the formulae for power. Which were the three formulae for power, beta? The first one was P is equal to V into I. The second one was P is equal to I square R. And the third one was P is equal to V square by R. If you are given potential difference in current, then you will use the first formula for P is equal to V into I. If you are given current and resistance, then use I square R. And if you are given potential difference in resistance, use V square by R. But you should remember one thing, in this formula for power has to be in watts. Potential difference has to be in volts. Current has to be in amperes. And resistance has to be in ohms. If any other unit is given, you will have to convert them into the SI units to get the power. Okay? Now supposing you are given a question, an appliance is rated at 2.5 kilowatt. What is kilowatt? It is a unit of power. 2.5 kilowatt. Calculate the current if resistance of appliance is 20 ohms. Now what is given to you? Power is given to you, mind you, 2.5 kilowatt. To convert into SI unit, you will have to multiply by 1000 to get 2500 watts. Okay? Next, resistance is given to you. Resistance is equal to 20 ohms. Resistance is equal to 20 ohms. Okay, you have to calculate what? Current. I you have to calculate. So what will be the formula used? You have I, R and P. You will use the second formula. P is equal to I square R. P is 2500 is equal to I square into R 20. So I square will be 2500 upon 20, that is 125. So I square is equal to 125, or I is equal to square root of 125. That will be in amperes. You can solve it, okay? So that is the formula how to do it. If it is given in kilowatts, convert it into watts till and until power is required. In electrical energy, you will be changing using the other units. So this is the first question today, power in kilowatts, and then you are given this. Okay. Second question. Second question for today's class is an appliance is rated at 220 volts and 4 ohms. Calculate power in SI units and number 2 in kilowatts. From the formula you will get the power in SI unit, that is watts, and then you can convert it into kilowatt by dividing by 1000. So you are given what? V is given to you 220 volts. R is given to you 4 ohms. You have to calculate P. Which formula will you use? P is equal to V square by R. P is equal to V square by R. So P will be equal to V square. 220 into 220 upon R. That is 4. 110. 110. 12100 power is in watts. This was the first thing. Second, you have to calculate in kilowatts. In kilowatts, power will be equal to 100 upon 1000. Because there are 1000 watts in a kilowatt, to convert it into kilowatts, you have to divide by 1000. So that will be 12.1 kilowatt. 12.1 kilowatt is the power of the appliance. So that is how to solve such numericals. So this was all about. You just try the questions from the assignment or the booklet. If you have any problems, please WhatsApp the questions to me. You are not sending me the questions. That means you are not studying. Please keep on studying. Send me the questions. The questions, the answers will be discussed in the next class. You have to just do what? Start doing the assignment and send to me the question number. I'll just do that for you in the class. Is that clear? Now we are moving on to electrical energy. We have done power, but now we will do electrical energy. What is electrical energy? Please check it out. Electrical energy. Electrical energy. This you have to start now. What do you know? Power is equal to energy upon time. You have done in your 9th class. Power is equal to energy upon time. What will be energy equal to? Power into time. Energy will be equal to power into time. What is the unit of power? SI unit of power is watt. And SI unit of energy will be joule. So 1 joule will be equal to 1 watt into 1 second. So 1 joule is equal to 1 watt second. This you should remember. So what is the SI unit of energy? This is joules. But in household, in our houses, that is electricity that units you consume in your household, they are depicted in your electricity meter. They are not in joules. They are in kilowatt hour. In kilowatt hour. This kilowatt hour is called the commercial unit of energy. Do you understand the difference between kilowatt hour and joule? Joule is the SI unit of energy if you take power in watts and time in seconds. And kilowatt hour is the commercial unit of energy if you take power in kilowatts and time in hours. Power in kilowatts and time in hours. Then is commercial unit of energy. Commercial unit is the energy you consume in household, the units. आपको कहा जाता होगा इतने यूनिट बिल आ गए, इतने यूनिट का बिल आया, 500 यूनिट, 600 यूनिट. What are those units? They are not joules. The units are in kilowatt hour. I'll tell you now what kilowatt hour is and what is the relation between kilowatt hour and joule. You have done it in 9th class also. Commercial unit of energy is kilowatt hour. Is kilowatt hour or kilowatt hour. ये आपके मीटर पे भी किलोवाट आवर लिखा होता है. कमर्शियल यूनिट ऑफ एनर्जी. ठीक है. नाउ यू नो दैट एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू पावर टू टाइम. If you take power in kilowatt and time in hours, then energy will be in kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour is not the unit of power. Kilowatt is the unit of power. When you multiply it by hours, you will get the energy in kilowatt hour. This is the commercial unit. What was the SI unit of energy? Is joule. SI unit is joule. In case of joule here, if you take energy in joules, then the power will be in watts and time will be in seconds. So this is the commercial unit and that is the SI unit of energy. Now we have to do a relationship between SI unit and commercial unit. That means we have to derive the relationship between kilowatt hour and joule. Relationship between kilowatt hour and joule. What is 1 kilowatt hour equal to? 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. But 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watts. This you very well know. You have done it in 9th class also. 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Because 1 hour contains 60 minutes and each minute contains 60 seconds. So what will be the total number of seconds in 1 hour? 3600. So इसमें value put करिए. So 1 kilowatt hour will be equal to 1000 watts into 3600 seconds is equal to 36,000,000 watt second, or that is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 watt second. But now what is this watt second equal to? Now 1 watt is equal to 1 joule upon 1 second. So 1 watt second will be equal to 1 joule. So यहाँ में पुट कर दीजिए watt second की जगह joule. तो क्या आएगा? 1 kilowatt hour will be equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joules. This is a relationship between the commercial unit of energy and its SI unit. So 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joules. This derivation can come in the exams. How do you do it? 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. 1 kilowatt is 1000 watts. 1 hour is 3600 seconds. So what will be 1 kilowatt hour equal to 1000 into 3600, that is 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joules. Now to the numericals on energy. Now all the numericals will be solved in kilowatt hours. So that means जो भी आपने 3 फॉर्मूले कल अभी किए थे पावर के, उसमें जो भी पावर आएगी वॉट्स में आती है. लेकिन अगर आपको इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी किलोवाट आवर में चाहिए तो आपको उन वॉट्स को किलोवाट में चेंज करना पड़ेगा, जैसे कि लास्ट न्यूमेरिकल में पावर में किया था. सो दैट मीन्स इन केस ऑफ पावर आप वॉट्स में निकालते जाइए, लेकिन जब भी इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी के यूनिट्स कंज्यूम निकालने हैं तो हमें किलोवाट आवर में निकालने हैं. सो विल हैव टू कन्वर्ट वॉट्स इनटू किलोवाट्स फर्स्ट. नाउ सपोजिंग moving on to the numericals. All numericals of energy, electrical energy, have to be solved by taking kilowatt hour as the unit of energy and not joule. Mind you, so you have to convert these powers into kilowatts and time into hours and then solve the numerical. Supposing numerical number 1, an appliance is rated at 220 volts and 5 amperes. Calculate the units means commercial unit, kilowatt hour, units of energy consumed in 2 hours. Units of energy, units means what? The commercial unit of energy, kilowatt hours. So what is given to you? Voltage is given to you 220 volts. Current is given to you 5 amps. So what will be? P equal to V into I. So P will be equal to 220 into 5, 1100 watts. But you want the units of electricity in kilowatt hour. So what will be power equal to? 1100 upon 1000 is equal to 1.1 kilowatt. So power is 1.1 kilowatt. What is time? Time is given in hours. No need to change it because you want the units in kilowatt hour. Time is 2 hours. So what is energy equal to power into time? Power is 1.1 into 2. So this is energy. So energy is equal to 2.2 kilowatt hour. Mind you, this is not joules. Why? Because we have taken the power in kilowatts. As far as the numerical power were concerned, आपने उसको joules में निकाला, उसको watts में निकाला. But whenever you shift over to commercial units of energy, you'll have to convert that power which we have calculated from the previous formula into kilowatt hour and then multiply it with hours. Is that clear? So this was a very simple question from electrical energy or commercial units of electrical energy. Next question. An appliance is rated at 200 volts and 80 ohms. 200 volts and 80 ohms. Calculate the units of electrical energy consumed in 40 minutes. अब मिनट को किसमें चेंज करोगे इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी में? Not into seconds but into hours, because you want units of electrical energy, that is kilowatt hour में आंसर चाहिए आपको. Now what is given to you? Voltage is given to you to 200 volts and resistance is given to you 80 ohms. Resistance is given to you 80 ohms. So what will be power equal to? V और R में रिलेशन निकालो. V square by R is equal to 200 into 200 upon 80. 0 से 0 जाएगा, 10 2s are 4 आएगा, ये 2 से जाएगा, ये 100 आ जाएगा, ये 2 से जाएगा, 5 आ जाएगा. That is 500 watts. 500 watts. But you want the units of electrical energy in kilowatt. You calculated in watts. So that will be equal to 500 upon 1000 kilowatts is equal to 0.5 kilowatt is the power. इस appliance की power kilowatt है. Why you have changed in kilowatt? Because you need the answer in kilowatt hours. So power is 0.5 kilowatt. Time is 40 minutes. 40 minutes means you have to change these 40 minutes into hours. 40 upon 60 hours is equal to 20, 30. This is 22s are, 32s are. This is 10, this is 15, this is 2 and this is 3. 2 by 3 hours. So what will be energy in commercial units? Power into time. So energy will be power in kilowatt is 0.5 into 2 by 3. That is equal to 1 by 3 kilowatt hour. Do you understand? We want the power energy or the commercial energy, unit of energy, that is in kilowatt hour. So any value of power in watts has to be converted into kilowatt and then multiplied by the time in hours and not in seconds to calculate the commercial units. So this was another question. Moving on to the next question. There are lots and lots of questions in this. Moving on to the next question from electrical energy. All questions in electrical energy have to be calculated in kilowatt hours. Next question. Five appliances. Now the number of appliances I have changed. 5 appliances of 4 amperes and 10 ohms. 4 amperes and 10 ohms are working for 5 hours. Calculate the units of electrical energy consumed. What is given to you? Amperes. I is 4 amperes. R is 10 ohms. N. What is N? N is the number of appliances. चलो बाद में कर लेंगे. So what will be power of one appliance? Power of one appliance is equal to I square R is equal to 4 का square into 10. 16 into 10, 160 watts is equal to 160 upon 1000 kilowatt. Then power of n appliances, 5 appliances will be equal to 5 into 160 by 1000. Why multiplied by 5? Because there are 5 such appliances. So that means the new formula for energy becomes N into P into T. N is the number. Multiply the power into time with the number of appliances if they are of the same type. So 5 into this, that is equal to 800 by 1000. 0.8 kilowatt is the power. 0.8 kilowatt is the power of 5 appliances. Then what will be energy equal to? Energy will be equal to power into time. 0.8 kilowatt of all appliances multiplied by 5. That is equal to 4 kilowatt hour. Mind you, the power has to be, the energy has to be in kilowatt hours. The energy has to be in kilowatt hours. That you should remember one thing. Now moving on to the next numerical. Now sometimes you will be asked to calculate the bill. Bill means the cost of electricity. Then what will you do? You will be given power or voltage, or same way you will calculate the kilowatt hour, the power, the energy in kilowatt hours. Kilowatt hour is the commercial unit. If you are asked that the cost of 1 unit of electricity is 5 rupees, then you will multiply by 5 to get the bill in rupees. Rest is same. पावर निकालिए, पावर के बाद एनर्जी निकलेगी किलोवाट आवर में. उस किलोवाट आवर को कॉस्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अगर आपने निकालनी है तो आपको रेट दिया हुआ कि पर किलोवाट आवर का रेट है 10 रुपीज या 5 रुपीज. उसको 10 या 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करके आपके पास बिल आ जाएगा. एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन, उसके बाद हाउस होल्ड न्यूमेरिकल्स करेंगे, विच वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन इन 9th क्लास आल्सो, बट विल डू इट अगेन. नाउ नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल इज an appliance is rated at 240 volts and 5 amperes. It works for 10 hours. Calculate number 1, units of electricity consumed, that means electricity in kilowatt hour, and secondly cost of electricity at ₹5 per unit. तो पहले तो हमें किलोवाट आवर में, किलोवाट आवर के यूनिट्स के अंदर हमें एनर्जी निकालनी होगी. पहले पावर निकालेंगे वॉट्स में, उसको किलोवाट में चेंज करेंगे, टाइम से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे आवर्स में, किलोवाट आवर में आंसर आएगा. फिर उसके बाद जब कॉस्ट निकालनी होगी तो पर यूनिट के रेट से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. प्लीज देखिए 240 वोल्ट्स, V इज इक्वल टू 240 वोल्ट्स, I इज इक्वल टू 5 एम्पियर्स. सो व्हाट इज पावर इक्वल टू V इंटू I? सो पावर इज इक्वल टू V 240 इंटू I 5 एम्पियर्स इज इक्वल टू 1200 वॉट्स. पावर इज 1200 वॉट्स. V into I is equal to 1200 upon 1000. Why I have divided by 1000 to get it in kilowatt hour? So that will be 1.2, sorry, in kilowatts, 1.2 kilowatts. So what is energy equal to? Power into time. Energy in kilowatt hour will be power in kilowatt 1.2 into time in hours. Time here given is 10 hours into 10 is equal to 12 kilowatt hour. So what will be bill equal to, या cost of electricity. 1 kilowatt hour का रेट दिया हुआ है 5 रुपए, 5 rupees. You will multiply this by 5 to get the bill. That will be 12 into 5 is equal to ₹60. 12 5s are 60. 5 rupees per unit. There are 12 units of electrical energy consumed. So this will be 12 into 5. That is equal to 60. Is that clear? So this is how to calculate the bill. Now moving on to numericals on household electricity. Please एक numerical ध्यान से सुनना. You might have done it in your 9th class also, but they are simple. No problems at all. Just see how we do the numericals of calculation of bill in household electricity. To the first question, please check it out. To the first question, a household has 10 100-watt bulbs lighted for 6 hours daily and 5 40-watt tube lights lighted for 5 hours daily. Calculate electricity bill for 30 days at the rate of ₹6 per unit. Now see, this is bill calculation for household electricity. What does it say? There are in the household there are 10 100-watt bulbs, 10 100-watt के बल्ब डेली बेटा 6 आवर्स के लिए जलते हैं और 5 40-watt की ट्यूबलाइट्स डेली 5 आवर्स के लिए जलती हैं. इनका बिल निकालना है. पहले आप क्या करोगे? पावर्स आर गिवन टू यू, चेंज देम इनटू किलोवाट्स, टाइम से मल्टीप्लाई करो हर अप्लायंस के. उसके बाद आपका किलोवाट आवर आ जाएगा. किलोवाट आवर को ऐड करो, एक दिन में कितनी यूज होगी, फिर 30 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, एक महीने में कितनी यूज होगी, उसको आप फिर रेट से मल्टीप्लाई करके कॉस्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी या बिल निकाल लेंगे. देखिए कैसे. आप डिफरेंट अप्लायंसेज है. तो सबसे पहले लिखेंगे अप्लायंस 1. अप्लायंस 1 क्या है बेटा? 100-watt बल्ब. इसका नंबर क्या है? कितना नंबर? नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे ना, एक की पावर को नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई. नंबर इज 10. व्हाट इज पावर ऑफ दिस अप्लायंस? 100 watts. इसको 1000 से डिवाइड करके 0.1 किलोवाट आ जाएगा. टाइम गिवन इज फॉर द 100-watt बल्ब कितने आवर्स के लिए चलता है? 6 आवर्स के लिए. व्हाट विल बी एनर्जी 1? एनर्जी 1 कितनी आ जाएगी? फॉर 1 डे, एक दिन की एनर्जी कितनी आ जाएगी? N1 इंटू P1 इंटू T1. एनर्जी पावर इंटू टाइम होता है, नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो तो कितनी आ जाएगी? N1 10 इंटू 0.1 इंटू 6 इज इक्वल टू 6 किलोवाट आवर. अब आपके पास अप्लायंस 2 है. अप्लायंस 2 कौन सी है बेटा? ट्यूबलाइट्स है, 40 वॉट्स की, नंबर है 5. N2 is 5, P2 is equal to 40 watts and time 2 is equal to 5 hours. So what will be E2 equal to N2 into P2 into T2. What is N2? 5 power 2 is 40 into time 5. ये भी फॉर 1 डे है तो कितना आ जाएगा? 45 से 200, 5 से 1000. Power has to be in kilowatts. So 40 into 5 into 5 by 1000. So that comes out to be 1 kilowatt hour. 6 kilowatt hour एक दिन में ये यूज करेंगे, 1 kilowatt hour एक दिन में ये यूज करेंगे. Is that clear? That is 6, this is 5. Okay. So this is 6, this is 1. 1 क्या हुआ? 5 appliances 40 watts की 5 hours के लिए. Total energy per day 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 kilowatt hour. Now energy for 30 days पूछी है. 7 into 30 210 kilowatt hour. टोटल एनर्जी एक मंथ में 210 किलोवाट आवर आ जाएगी. सो व्हाट विल बी द बिल? इज इक्वल टू पर किलोवाट का रेट है बेटा ₹6. क्या है? ₹6. 210 into 6 is equal to ₹1260. ₹1260 will be the bill. अगर यहाँ पे 3 अप्लायंसेस होती 1 2 3, वहां में नंबर इंटू पावर इंटू टाइम, नंबर इंटू पावर इंटू टाइम. बट यू शुड रिमेंबर वन थिंग, पावर हैज टू बी इन kilowatts, time has to be in hours. If the time is given in minutes etc., you'll have to convert that time into hours. Okay, and power in kilowatts. Is that clear? And then multiply by the units, or multiply by the rate to get the units of, or the bill or the cost of electricity consumed in 1 month or 10 days or 15 days, whatever the time will be given to you. To do one thing, calculate the total energy of each appliance for 1 day, then add these energies for 1 day, and then multiply it by the number of days, and you get the total energy for the stipulated time. Then multiply it with the cost or the rate to get the cost of electricity consumed in 1 month or the stipulated time. Is that clear? It's as simple as anything. Just try to do the equation again. Very simple. But one thing you have to keep in mind, power has to be converted into kilowatts. Power has to be converted into kilowatts. Next question. A household has 6 200-watt bulbs lighted for 5 hours daily and a 1.5 किलोवाट, ये किलोवाट में दी हुई है पावर, तो इसका मतलब इसको चेंज करने की जरूरत नहीं है, किलोवाट मोटर वर्किंग फॉर 2 hours daily. Calculate bill of the house for 30 days at the rate of ₹5 per unit. How many appliances are there? How many types of appliances are there? 2 types of appliances. The first is the 200-watt bulb and the second is a motor. So appliance 1, पहले लिखेंगे नंबर कितना है इसका, 6, पावर कितनी है इसकी 200 watts, 200 by 1000 is equal to 0.2 kilowatt. टाइम कितना है इसका 5 hours. So what will be energy for 1 day? इस अप्लायंस की एनर्जी 1 डे की कितनी हो जाएगी, N1 into P1 into T1 is equal to 6 into 0.2 into 5. 6 into 0.2 into 5. Is that clear? 6 kilowatt. 6 kilowatt hour will be the energy. Appliance 2. What is the number? Means 1. What is the power? 1.5 kilowatt. You don't need to change it into hours. Sorry, into kilowatts, because it is given in kilowatt only. Time is in hours. 2 hours. So what will be E2 1 day ki? N2 into P2 into T2. 1 into 1.5 into 2 is equal to 3 kilowatt hour. So what is total energy per day? 6 plus 9 is equal to 3 kilowatt hour. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 kilowatt per hour. 6 kilowatt hour plus 3 per day. Energy for बेटे 30 days की energy क्या होगी? You will multiply this by 30. So will be equal to 9 into 30, 270 kilowatt hours. So what is the bill? Multiply by the cost of electricity, that is ₹5. 270 into 5 is equal to 1350 rupees. So this is the electricity bill of the house for 1 month. What you have done? Segregate the appliances, appliance 1, 2, 3, number into power into time for 1 day, add all the energies of 1 day, then multiply by the number of days. If it is 30, multiply by 30, and then multiply by the cost of electricity to get the bill of the house. I hope it is clear. We'll do some more numericals in the next class. and then we'll start with the heating effects of current. Please keep on doing your assignments as your NCERT questions, etc., numericals from your assignment booklet, and please WhatsApp me your problems. Please WhatsApp your problems so that your problems will be discussed in the coming class, that is on Wednesday. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.